Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to submit your Express course submission in computer science for 6th grade. So follow along if you need to know how to get in, navigate to where you need to be in order to complete the lesson, and how to submit. So the first thing is we go to the website code.org, that's CODE.org. So you can type that in Safari or Google Chrome. It's not too difficult, but I do have a link in Schoology under the coding websites tab, and you can see code.org is right there. I'm just already have that tab open, so I'm going to scoot over to it. The very first thing you want to do when you get into code.org is you want to make sure that you sign in. If you don't sign in, it does not save your progress, and we do these lessons over the course of 2 or 3 classes, so you want to make sure that your progress is solved. You're going to sign in using your Google account. Now hopefully in class we've made an account together. Now you're going to use your @apposchooldistrict.com account. For me, that's a teacher account, so I'm going to use a different Google account just so it doesn't think I'm a teacher, and I can show you things from your point of view. So you can see I've already started an Express course here. So if you've already started in class and you come back, you can just hit continue lesson right there. But I'm going to show you how to get there from the beginning. And again, double check in the upper right hand corner and make sure that you've been signed in. So you're going to click Course Catalog in the upper left hand corner. Okay, Course Catalog, it's up there. And I know some of you are 12 years old, but we're just going to, on this side, click the Exploring Learning for ages 5 to 11 after you click that course catalog. You're going to scroll down, and on the right hand side, you've got Express Course right here. So I'm going to click Start Express Course. So you can see that I've started some lessons here. I've got 2 of them complete. What I'm looking for is for you to complete 1 whole line of a lesson. Now, they get more difficult as you go on. So I believe 1 through 5 is for beginners. So if you're new to coding, you're probably going to want to start it between lesson 1 to 5. I'd suggest starting with 1. I believe 5 to 12 are kind of like intermediate lessons. So if you have some familiarity with coding, you're looking for a challenge, those ones will be good for you. And then later on, the higher ones are definitely more challenging, right? So what I suggest is doing one of the easy ones first, and then if that was way too easy, kind of try them down a little bit farther and find one where you're learning something new. This is just meant to be to see what you already know, refresh yourself with some block coding, and show me what you know, okay? So at the end of your lesson, you'll finish the last one and the whole line will be shown. You can also see your progress when you're in the lesson up at the top bar. So what you're going to do is you are going to screenshot this. It can be either this view or the unit overview. Go back. This page with a whole row of green circles and triangles filled in, and then in Schoology there'll be in whatever today's folder is. That was last week for this class specifically. Intro to Coding. You're going to come in to your Express course screenshot, and that is where you're going to submit. So please reach out if you have any questions. I can help with screenshots or assignment submission.